Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we can going to discuss about the product fast OFDM with index modulation for NB-IoT. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. The proposed system we can implement it for the hybrid OFDM based modulation technique, and we can using the narrow band of Internet of Things, and this IoT we can introduce to analysis of this OFDM, and this control technique for the fast OFDM with the index modulation in order to maximize the bandwidth and the power efficiency for IoT applications in number of active subcarriers to maximize the spectral efficiency to derive that, and we can improve our dimensional consent to use the fast OFDM, and also we can optimize the enhancement error of the our proposed system, and we can using the optimal solution of this OFDM, and we can reduce the our losses of the our signal errors, and we can improve our the power efficiency and spectral efficiency also higher than SNR rate. So we can providing the solutions for that ultimate fast OFDM with index modulation technique. We can totally improve our efficiency and a very less level of losses, mean errors. Next we can going to discuss about the flow down of the our product. First we can see about the transmit data. The transmit data will be our using the signals like we can speech signal or radio frequency signals, and binary signals, whatever we can using the transmit data. These transmit data we can passing to the detection and performance analysis. This nothing but this detection means we can encode the our process, and performance we can perform the encoder to using the conventional encoder binary to decimal conversion. So this block will be this type of conversion we can convert at that, and move to the modulation. This modulation we can occur to using that to modulate our signals to the improve our bandwidth, and another further blocks for moving the fast OFDM with index modulation. So this block will be important of these steps. Because of this one, we can active subcarrier will be activated for this OFDM, and we can index it of the every active subcarriers using this block, and we can finally perform that average transmit power, and we can find the spectral efficiency of the our active subcarriers, and we can further transmit power. We can how we can using the transmit power to move on for our OFDM with the indexes, and these indexes will be using the pass the channels. We can using the channel for the AWGN channel. So this is an abbreviation for additive white Gaussian noise ratio. So this channel block will be using to channel. We can find out the some performance like we can channel gain. We can find out this block will be remains passed to the our demodulation. We can modulate the signal, again we can demodulate the signal because of our entire signals will be changed to different conventions. So again we can change to our input of the signals, and finally we can perform the BR rates. So we can our bitter rate we can perform the analysis of this every system, and we are using the 64-bit and 16-bit we can using the our modulation index values, and this OFDM IM we can segregated the active subcarrier and inactive subcarrier also. Now we can going to discuss about the running procedure of the our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2015b. The creating scripts will be using that as per that our paper, and we can derive the equations we can implement it for the as per the constraints, and these are our main file. This run that main file we can execute it as these are different types of initializing parameters, detection of performance. As per that our block diagram will be explained these each and every steps, and we can better at analysis of for the fast OFDM index modulation, and constellation design, and different modulation index we can using that 842, and we can see for the running that this file. Now it will be executed. Our modulation index at 8 will be completed, 4 will be completed, and remaining 2 And another thing, we can using the two types of modulation technique, we can using that QAM and PSK modulation, we can using that. So it will take some time. First, these results, this figure one will be optimum ask technique. This modulation will be very high performance compared to the our previous two things like QM and PSK. This technique will be optimally getting that of modulation index will be 2, and this error performance will be very compare less compared to the our previous techniques. Next thing, this is on our channel. This channel will be segregated as different types of separate lines, and these channel lines, like we can using the filters. The filters we can across the our encoder and modulation index analysis, so we can input will be automatically changed to this convention. So this channel performance we can show this figure, and this channel we can separate as different types of line width. This line width will be bandwidth width. So the width of the line will be bandwidth required to the active subcarriers. So this plot will be plotted. The another thing, this will be QEM modulation. For that, different types of modulation index, and we can using the modulation index technique, and we can index the every bits of the our lines. The line means we can using the our transmit data, and we can every index will be segregated as different modulation technique. For that, this QM modulation, this QM modulation better performance to the our PSK, because of this are not compared to these previous things. So it will be performance almost better than getting that results. And this modulation 2 index will be very low bit of errors, because of this channel active subcarriers will be low compared to the 4 and compared to the 8. The another thing, this is will be PSK concern order perform. This will be similar, not exact, but this will be little bit similar. Because of these two concern will be minor difference, like we can 0.5 and 0.7 something we can difference, but this will be exactly matched to our process. See, QM modulation of 2 and QM modulation of PSK modulation of 2, it will be different, but oscillation performance will be, everything will be much better to perform that. So these two technique will be comparison result plot. Finally, this will be total execution of the our time process, and we can using it to two technique for the QM and PSK. So it will be steps of compiling of the our for loop iterations. So that's it. Thanks for watching.